How to access Jellyfin server outside network secure remote setup. Today I'm going to show you how. Jellyfin is an open source media server that lets you stream your movies, shows, and music on any device in your home. But if you want to access your Jellyfin library while away, say, on another Wi-Fi or mobile data network, you'll need to set up remote access safely. It might sound technical, but the process is actually simple once you understand the steps. Start by checking that your Jellyfin server is working properly on your local network. Open a browser on the same network and type in your server's local IP address, followed by the Jellyfin port number, which is usually 8096. For example, 192.168.1.x:8096. If you can log in and stream locally, the server is running fine. Now, to make it accessible from outside your home network, you'll need to allow external connections to that same port through your router. Log into your router's admin page by typing its gateway address into your browser, usually something like 192.168.1.1. Once you're in, go to the port forwarding section. Add a new rule that forwards external traffic on port 8096 or whatever port Jellyfin uses to your server's internal IP address. Save your settings and restart the router to make sure the rule takes effect. This step allows incoming connections from outside your network to reach your Jellyfin server. Next, you'll need a way to find your home IP address from anywhere. Most home internet connections use dynamic IPs that change occasionally, so using a dynamic DNS service helps. You can sign up for a free service like DDNS or NoIP. Create a hostname and link it to your current home IP address. Then, instead of typing your IP manually, you'll access Jellyfin using something like myserver.docdns.org:8096. This makes connecting much easier and more reliable. For security, it's best not to expose Jellyfin directly to the open internet without protection. The safest way is to enable HTTPS using a reverse proxy like NGINX or CADI. These tools can encrypt your traffic with SSL certificates, preventing others from intercepting your data. Another option is to connect through a VPN. If you have a router or NAS that supports VPN access, simply connect to your home network remotely and then use Jellyfin as if you were at home. Finally, test your setup from a mobile device or another network. Turn off Wi-Fi, open a browser, and enter your hostname with a port number. If it loads your Jellyfin login page, your remote access is working. Make sure to secure your server with a strong password and disable guest access if you're sharing your library with others. That's it. You now have safe, secure access to your Jellyfin media server from anywhere. Whether you're traveling, at work, or just away from home, your entire media collection is only a few clicks away.